The transformer bushing is the main insulation device outside the transformer box. The lead wire of the transformer winding must pass through the insulation bushing to insulate the lead wire between the lead wire and the transformer shell, and play the role of fixing the lead wire. The transformer bushing is the insulation bushing that leads the high and low voltage leads inside the transformer to the outside of the tank. It not only serves as the ground insulation of the lead, but also plays the role of fixing the lead. The transformer bushing is one of the current carrying elements of the transformer. We have rich production practice and product development and manufacturing experience, combined with transformer industry production process development and manufacturing of various transformer bushing, advanced technology, from applicability. From the beginning of raw materials into the factory, strict quality control. Every process, every technology, every experiment, every inspection, we strive to achieve excellence.